Okay guys, we are looking for the question brainstorming worksheet. And I've created this folder, the research basics folder here. I also moved the keyword worksheet, so if you're looking for that on the Schoology page, it is in here. And here is the question brainstorm worksheet. Click on that, it'll open the Google Doc. And what I recommend doing is to actually make a copy of it for yourself. For you guys, it'll probably be view only, so you will have to make a copy to actually use it and fill it out or download it. So you can do File, make a copy, and then it'll save it to your Google Drive. Or you can download it as a Word doc, PDF, whatever you need to download as. Okay, that's just a quick look at where to find the question brainstorming worksheet. Okay, we are looking at the question brainstorm worksheet. You have your question stems down here. You have your topic 1 and 2. They can be related, they can be unrelated. You can use whatever you want here. This is where you're going to fill in the sheet. So we start with which one. So the example here is, collect information to make an informed choice. Which 20th century president did the most to promote civil rights? How? Understand problems and perspectives, weigh options, propose solutions. So how would we solve the problem of water pollution in our neighborhood? You can ask a question like, what if? Use knowledge you have to pose a hypothesis or consider options. Example, what if the Declaration of Independence abolished slavery? Good question. Should. So make a moral or practical decision based on evidence. Should we clone humans? And then the final why. Understand and explain relationships to get to the essence of a complicated issue. Example, why do people abuse children? So up here in our topic, maybe we are talking about the Civil War. So for which one, an example would be, which Civil War general was the best military strategist? We would go about looking for our answers for that question. So which one? How? Example, how did scientific advances of the 19th century affect the outcome of the Civil War? We're looking at something like that. Let me edit my sizes here. Okay, this can be something similar to, you might think about advances in communications or weapons during the Civil War. So what if? So let's pose a what if question here for the Civil War. What if General Lee had better intelligence at the Battle of Gettysburg? So that would be a good what if. What if Southern General had their intelligence before going into Battle of Gettysburg? Would be an interesting what if hypothesis. Should. Okay, so make a moral practical decision here. So should Confederate symbols be used in official state flags and logos today? So that's something to consider. It's a little more topical. These should ones are probably a little more based on evidence. You can kind of make these decisions here. So should Confederate symbols be used in official state flags today? And the last one is why. So the example is, why Did Great Britain favor South during the Civil War? Okay, so that's just a little example of how you can use these question stems. You don't need to fill in every box. You don't need to do 2 different topics, but you can kind of fill out these and give you a good start on building an inquiry questions that you can then proceed to research with. One last thing for this video, I've had this up for a little while, this individual research consultation. So if you're stuck, can't think of anything for your project, you need individual help, you can fill out this Google form. So it's just an individual research consultation. It's kind of something similar that you would find at college and academic libraries, what librarians help out with. So you can make an appointment with me. I can meet you, if we were in school, we'd meet during your study hall. We could work on your needs, or you can kind of communicate through digital resources. So fill out the Google form. It's got your grade level, teacher in class, what type of project. Are you in a short paper, a long-term paper? Is it a multimedia project? Is it your junior research project? Is it an argumentative research project, paper? Or maybe English 11 or other. Describe your topic here, where you're at. Are you just looking for a topic? I'm just starting my research, looking for sources. I need more information. I need specific information. Due dates, don't come to me the last minute and say like, my project's due tomorrow and I need to finish it. Give me some time and we can work together on it. And then you just submit it and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So just another way you can reach out to me for your research needs.